Hello, you ever heard about Storybook? It is a nothing but a front-end workshop for building a UI components and pages in isolation. And that too without messing with the real-time data, APIs or business logic. Hello, my name is Suraj. I am a software developer at Y Technologies. Today we will explore how Raaghu Design System accelerate UI development with the help of Storybook. Storybook helps us to create a living documentation of our design system. Each component with its all variations and state is organized visually, making it easy to understand and utilize. Storybook supports our React-based system seamlessly, so we can view, test, play our component in real time, ensuring they are always up to date and functional. With hot reloading, made any changes for the Raaghu component are instantly reflected in Storybook, speeding up development and maintaining consistency. Storybook integrate add-ons like accessibility checks, ensure that the Raaghu components are usable for everyone. Testing for responsiveness, accessibility, and themes is effortless. Automated testing in Storybook allows to write the stories in each case and run the regression test. Storybook is the backbone of the Raaghu Design System, streamlined development and foster collaboration. Experience the power of Raaghu Design System with Storybook. Happy coding!